guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to flip something, and it is these two containers. They are from, you know, those wet pads that you use to clean your floor, for example. I don't remember the brand. I think it's Swiffer's, something like that. I don't use them, but a friend of mine does, and I asked her to save these two for me. And I'm going to flip them, as I said, but I wanted you to see them before, and then you will see the after. So I'll be back in a minute, and I will show you how I'm going to decorate them. Okay, I am back now, and I have painted both containers in white. I spray painted them with Rust-Oleum flat white, and I started painting the borders and making some marks so it looks like chipped and all enamel. I use this Sharpie king size, which is great for the border. As you can see, it's a very easy task. You just paint it all around, on the top and also on the sides, like so. I prefer to make this line first and then fill in the spaces, so I don't go with the Sharpie over the other border. It's really easy. So then I made some marks, like, as I said, that some chipping. Very irregular. And that's it. I did the same on the bottom, some markings. Like these ones. And here, so also in the corner, the bottom corner, and on the sides. As I have essential tremors, that really helps in this case. It's really helpful. So here you have the final result. I decided, I have another one here, the other one that you saw in blue. I decided to add some kind of label, and I think you saw it when I first showed this at the beginning of the second part. I printed it from internet, and I printed it on vellum paper because I don't have a Cricut, so vellum paper really blends with the bottom and with the background, sorry. So I think it's great when you don't have a Cricut and you want to add some labels. So I printed it, and this one I just adhered to the container with this double-sided tape dispenser, and this is the one I printed for this one. As you can see, this also has all the sides marked. And now I'm going to add around this double-sided tape. It's great for vellum paper because it's not visible from the front, doesn't show. So I have used it many times before on on this kind of spray paint, and it works perfectly. So I'm going to add it like I'm eyeballing the center. I think here. And as you can see, they look really, really good. I really like it. But what am I going to do with this? Okay, a few weeks ago I flipped and transformed. It's kind of a prop that we found in the dumpster with my daughter. We are dumpster divers. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks. It's going to be linked in the description box. And I told you that day that I have another one similar, it's not identical, that I was going to transform in another video, and this is a video. We found this prop also. I think it's for brushes or something like that, because we found it at Ulta, and it's kind of a little bit, this would need some fixing, but I'm not going to do that now. This was the original color. I spray painted it with the same paint, and as you can see, these containers fit perfectly in this prop. But as you can see also, there is some, I think it's the name of a brand of the products that were here, that I'm going to cover. I printed from internet this label, and then using white transfer paper, which is great when you are transferring things to a black surface, and I'm going to add it to cover those labels, I don't know, the brand of the products that were there before. I transferred it to some blackboard tape, this one from Scotch that we found in the dumpster. We found the full roll in the dumpster, and I've been using it for a long time, and I still have a lot. And it came really in handy for this project. Okay, please, I need to separate this, and I can't. Please bear with me. It was so easy with the other one, and I can do this. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm boring you, I'm making you waste your time. I should have had it done before. Okay, here we go. Finally. Thank you for bearing with me. As you can see, I made 2 holes on each extreme, and I'm going to add this here, like so. And then I wanted black enamel dots to add here and here, but I didn't have it, and so I'm going to use dark blue. So they are from Dollar Tree. If someday I get something better, I will change them, but for now they will have to do. So I'm adding this to cover the holes and pretend that there is a kind of a screw or something like that there. Okay, so now I have the prop that I needed to use to place my containers. And now I will show you from the front and with some items inside for you to see the final product. But first let me tell you that this video is part of the Heidi Sonboul DIY challenge. This month is the theme is Farmhouse, and I will leave a link to her channel in the description box. Please pay a visit, and I will also leave the link to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. Please watch all the videos after watching mine, of course. Okay, so now let's see the final result. So here you have the final result. I added some bathroom essentials to each container, and I really like how they look, and I hope you like it too. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to Heidi for always hosting this challenge. Thank you to all of you for watching my video. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.